Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share a recipe for making delicious soup. For this recipe, I have gathered ingredients such as potato, beans, garlic, leeks, carrots, tomatoes, peppers, lentils and noodles. First, I am going to start by adding the potatoes to the container. Next, I will add the carrots, beans, garlic, leeks, tomatoes and peppers. After that, I will include the lentils and noodles. Finally, I will add water and curry leaves. After boiling the vegetables, I will add some salt. Once the soup is cooked, I will blend some of it using a blender. After blending the mixture, I will combine it with the rest of the soup in the container. I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you for tuning in and watching my video. Your support means the world to me.